Do your air filter indicator gauge sometimes goes unnoticed because it may have a little dirt or dust? I'm going to show you another option that you can actually use. Make sure you have seen my video on why air filter indicator restriction gauge important. In case you have any questions on replacing the air filter in your comments, make sure you watch this video also. In this video, we first of all want to make sure that we start off with a clean air filter. I'm going to introduce to you a air indicator that may be a little bit more costly. It's a little bit different than your traditional air indicator. We're going to remove our regular air filter indicator. Fleetguard has a LED air indicator, again, that may be a little bit more costly, but it may be cost effective. It really depends on how often and where your vehicle is being used to whether or not you need to use this product. Here's the part number and the price range for this LED indicator. It comes with all the hardware, all the accessories. All you have to do is just plug it right in. I am drilling through the firewall on the top area on the passenger side near the doghouse. Install a fuse holder with a 5-ounce fuse. Connect to an accessory that only has power when the ignition switch turned on. This is very important. You cannot have constant power going to the indicator at all times. Make sure you test your power supply first before you connect your wires. Use wire looms to protect your wires. Now we can run the wire loom through the firewall. Next, we're going to connect to our adapter. We're going to start with the hot wire, which is the red wire. Next, our black wire, which is the ground wire. The green wire, you will notice, you will not need. It is used with a remote monitoring system. Next, we're going to insulate the hot wire and the ground wire. You can remove a bolt right under your air filter for a good ground. Tighten down your bolt after the ground wire is connected. Now you are ready to plug in your connector into your new Fleetguard LED air filter indicator. There is a red button on your connector right here. Just push forward to lock it in place. Make sure your wires are properly routed and mounted. Let's turn on our ignition switch and see what we have. This is what you want. You want to reset your new air indicator. Press the black button. These are the colors that you will see: red, yellow, and the color that you will always like to see is green. That's all it takes to install a Fleetguard LED air filter indicator. The regular OEM air filter indicator versus the electronic one, you decide. Either way, one of the most important things for your engine is to make sure your air filter stays clean. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.